guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks, and this is Himanshi coming up with the new video. So today I'll be sharing a tutorial wherein I'll let you know how to achieve the daytime look. The look is gonna be very simple using Nykaa product. If you wanted to know how I achieved this look, let's get started. Before getting into the video, we need to ensure that our face is completely moisturized so that the base sets well. For the moisturization today, I'm using Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil. Hope you can see. So the product comes with the dropper out here wherein you can take out the product and you can use it on directly on your face. So just take 2 drops. I'll blend this on. Yeah. I really like this product since this is giving me the glowy effect. Can you see? So we can also skip the highlighter part since we are using this product. We got our skin drenched into a good moisturization and glow boosting oil. We will move ahead with the compact. For compact today, I am using Nykaa Get Set Click Compact in Almond Dazzle 02. Also call this compact as all-in-one because once you use the product, you can skip your powder-based products since this has got very creamy texture and this would also add moisturization to your face. So today I'll be using just Nykaa Compact and I'll be skipping the powdering part. I'll show you how this would give both the benefits. To use the product, I'm using PAC Stripling brush. Let's dab the product in. Do not drag it. The more you dab, the better the product looks out on your face. Never forget the neck area. I feel the less is more. It's done. Next, we'll move on to concealer. I'm using Nykaa Foundation and Conceal Stick. You just have to roll the product out and start using on your face. I'm using under my eyes. I need to have some correction done out here, wherever I've got the spots. Let's blend the product with the concealer brush. And it's concealed. Now we'll get it to the eyes portion. So for my eyes today, I'm using Nykaa Wet and Dry Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoking Hot. You can see it has got all the neutral shades, which is the good part of the palette. And you can use it anytime, anywhere you want it to go on. Since today I wanted to achieve a simple look, so I'll be going with the brown color. To pick up the brown color, I'm using this eye brush. Tap it. I'm kind of setting the eyeshadows on my eyes. Once you set this, you can take a black color and just set it outside of your eyes. You can say outer corner of your eyes. Just here. To blend everything together, I have to use this buffing brush for eyes. So we are gonna buff it a bit. Blending is the key in the eye makeup. I'll pick some more product and just place it in. Yeah, now we are drying this in just to get a smooth look. Don't forget your lower lashes. So I'll take some brown. I'll just pull it so that it gets all together. Can you see? Yeah. Now for the kajal, I'm using Nykaa Black Smoke 001. This kajal has got two ends. One end you're getting the kajal, on another end you're getting the sponge. Let's use the kajal a bit. I just want a little bit of kajal, not much. Both the eyes. Since it is daytime look, we will not make it too heavy. Next up we have Nykaa Wing in a Blink eyeliner. Again, this has also got the two end, and one side you have got the stamp, another side you have got the pen. Anything you can use, depends what kind of a look you are creating. We'll just take a pen and apply it. So I've just got this done on my both the eyes. So for the brows, I'm again using Nykaa eyeshadow palette wherein I am taking with the brown color. So I've got this thin brush. You can use any brow brush. Today I'm using this brush. Usually I do not do my brows very often since I don't need them. Just to show you guys, today I'm using this. Just a bit. Since I do not have Nykaa mascara, so I'll be using another brand mascara to show you the finished look. Do not forget your lower lashes. Once you're done with your eyes, you can brush off excess if it fell off. Moving on next, since I don't have any contouring powder from Nykaa, so I'll be using the same eyeshadow palette and I'll take the brown shade. With this also we can do contouring very well. So I'll show you. Use the contouring powder on the side portion of your face. Don't worry, we will blend all this together. Here we have the contouring brush to blend all this together. When you wanted to do your chin, just put the brush here and drag it. Contouring process is going to give your face a lift, and also wherever the light flashes, it is going to show you all the high points. So reason why we do contouring and it is important in makeup. Moving ahead with the blush, I have got Nykaa lipsticks in the shade Dilly 07. This lipstick is really good, guys. You can use it as a lipstick and your cheek tint. So that's how we want it. Few drops out here, center of your cheeks. To blend everything together, I am using blush brush. Blush is done. So here I have got the flush look with Nykaa tint. Now let's move on to the lips. If you want your lipstick to stay longer, ensure that you are using any lip liner. So for lip liner today, I am using Nykaa Pout Perfect Liner. The shade name is Smell the Roses 16. This product is basically not sold as liner. However, I would love to use it as liner under my lipstick. Next up, I am using Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Next Level Nude 04. Got the brown eyes. We wanted to keep the look a very brownish. Since my dress is too vibrant, so simple look would definitely enhance the beauty. To finish off the look, I'll be using Nykaa Matte Nail Polish. So here I've got the overall finished look using Nykaa products. I'll be sharing all the links of the product in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it and like it. Thank you.